Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy a foreclosure property, follow these step-by-step instructions to find deals and navigate the unique challenges of foreclosure purchases. Step 1. Understand the foreclosure process and the different stages at which you can buy pre-foreclosure directly from the owner, at auction during the foreclosure sale, or as bank-owned real estate after the auction. Step 2. Get your financing in order before searching for properties, as foreclosure purchases often require proof of funds or pre-approval letters. Many foreclosures sell quickly, so being ready to act fast is essential. Step 3. Search for foreclosure listings through bank websites, auction sites, real estate agents who specialize in foreclosures, and public records at your county courthouse or online property databases. Step 4. Research properties thoroughly by reviewing public records, tax history, title status, and any liens or judgments against the property that you might be responsible for if you purchase it. Step 5. Inspect the property carefully if possible, though note that many foreclosures are sold as is without the option for thorough inspections. Be prepared for properties to be in poor condition or need significant repairs. Step 6. Bid strategically at auction by setting a maximum price based on property value minus repair costs and a profit margin. Never get caught up in bidding wars that eliminate your profit potential. Step 7. Understand that foreclosure purchases typically require cash or hard money loans for auction purchases, while bank-owned properties may accept traditional financing. Know your payment options before committing. Step 8. Work with professionals, including real estate agents, attorneys, and contractors who have experience with foreclosures to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a smooth transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.